website which is named as Paras e-learning website. So first of all, as you know, this is a digital era, and in this era, technology is used in a high frequency. So in order to benefit the people of this era, we created this website. So first of all, this is the very first page of our website, which is named as homepage. So if you go down, this is the information about Paras school, and here we have provided notes of some popular courses. From here you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and C++. And now the second one is about page. You should read this and you'll get familiar to our website. And the third one is subject. We have made a separate portion of subjects. In this portion, we have provided notes of different subjects which are major. And first we will go to English. Here we have textbook of English, and we have also provided notes for every class. These are the official notes of Paras. So here is the contact portion. So in contact portion, if you want to reach us or contact us, if you want to approach us, you can easily do it with the contact page.
Assalamualaikum, this is Alina Yamini Raim from Paras Science College, Kandiaro, standing before you, a matriculation student, presenting a digital software project which aims to revolutionize the way of organization, leave and notice upload management. As we all can see that in today's digital era, the technology is transforming various aspects of our lives. So it is imperative that we should harness its power and should create a transparent and efficient and connected work environment in our organizations and institutions. With all this vision in our mind, we have created a software solution that integrates two critical systems. The first one is leave management system. This system is designed to streamline the process and to making it easier for both employees and administrators to track and manage leave requests. Our second system is a notice upload system that is designed to provide a centralized platform for uploading and sharing notices.
Project which I am going to introduce is an ultrasound radar. So basically its work is to detect the object by using ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves travel at the speed of sound. Here you can see that it is transmitter which transmit those waves, and those waves travel through the air, and they hit the object until they encounter the object. After that they reflect back to the receiver. The receiver convert their sound energy into electrical energy and shows us on the screen of laptop that there is an obstacle. You can see here it's working. The main four components are used in this project are Arduino Uno, breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor. So the applications of the ultrasonic radar is very vast. As you know that the self-parking car and auto driving car have been launched by some companies such as Lexus and Ford. They use this type of radar to prevent collisions, and it is also used by Navy, military and other air forces.
COVID-19 SARS-CoV-2 severe acute respiratory syndrome is a virus that causes the disease, and the name of the disease is COVID-19. In COVID-19, the letter C O represents COVID, VI represents virus and D represents the disease, and it has been originated in 2019 1st December in Wuhan, China.
COVID-19 disease is an infectious disease caused by the virus named as coronavirus. Coronavirus belongs to a family named as Coronavirinae that measures 120 nanometers in diameter. So why it is called the coronavirus? Because it has glycoprotein in its envelope that gives it a crown-like structure. And in the Latin language, the crown is called corona.
system and solar system. This is basically solar system, and it has major 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and last one dwarf planet is Pluto. Pluto is considered as dwarf planet because it does not follow the criteria of International Astronomical Union for the massive planets. So on the other hand, we have introduced the solar system. The scientists have predicted that in 2025 there will be a catastrophic storm coming from the space to the earth, which comes from the sun, and the solar flares coming from the sun destroy the earth's magnetic field and affect the electrical system of the earth, and it can destroy many lives.